How's it going, everyone? Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, I got a question recently. Can these metrics be used on different types of markets? So in this video, I'm going to specifically look at a live look today, May 27th, currently at 8:40 a.m. Pacific time, loaded here on the charts. This is actually the EUR USD, one of the most popular traded Forex pairs in the market. But first, let's give a shout out to everyone who has joined within the last 48 hours. Neil, Carlton, Clinton, Stephen, and Elliot. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so happy for your future success using these metrics in whatever market you are trading. Now, you guys know me. I specifically like to trade the E-mini futures. It's what I've been doing for the longest amount of time. But my past years, since I've been doing this for about 10 years, I actually used to trade some Forex. Now, if you guys want a recommendation, I'm not sponsored by them. I used to actually use Owanda. And that is who I use to actually go through on Forex. But I want to show you guys a live example here on the charts. Now, I got a question on YouTube just the other day. We don't care about live looks at the market. We just want live action. Well, to your point, Element, it's really, really cool. And a lot of people, if you've been in the game for 10 years like that trader was, he made in his comment, sometimes you have to look back in the market to see what happens so you can now learn and know what to look for in the future. You know, as kids, what do? We actually make mistakes as kids, and our parents teach us like, okay, don't do this, don't do this. And your parents give you kind of examples like, when I was your age, I did this was the outcome. Now, if we can learn from those things and we can look back at previous events in the market, no matter what sector you're trading, and you know what to look for example, down here on your dashboard, which is going to tell you all the key metrics you need to know in the market, you're able to spot entries and exits in the future or in live time when they end up happening. So, Element, thank you so much for putting that comment on there, because you are right. You have to look back first before you can go in the future. And it is actually very, very important to look past. And if you guys are following me here on my YouTube channel, 90% of my videos that I'm doing are actually in real-time market data live on both Tradovate and Tradingview here, trading the E-mini futures using Hiekin Ashi candles specifically, just so you guys know there's no way of doing a market replay. Now, if I were to do this right here on YouTube and do replay, you guys actually can see this is a caution down here saying this bar type cannot do replay. So I'm showing this example live. Everyone who has these metrics and you're interested in doing Forex, this is a live look at the charts right now that you can pull up to see these exact signals on your chart of opportunities that you could have taken in the market. So let's go over these entries just here real quick and see exactly what had to pan out on our dashboard to make them very good. Now, again, I said, you guys, you can use this for anything, stocks, crypto, Forex, but this example specifically, let's just look at Euro USD. So when this white line, this is showing you guys either money that's either flowing into the market, you guys can see when price is increasing, or money flowing out of the market, price decreasing. These are some metrics that I want you to look at. First thing is top-down method. Go ahead and go to your inputs and have this to 100. That's going to tell you the past 100 candles on your chart. This is specifically looking at the 2-minute time frame. We're looking to scalp on this. 1 to 2 minute time frames are my favorite time frames to use these metrics for scalping, and I really like the 4-hour time frame if you guys are looking for swing trades in the market. So if we're overall heading in a bullish momentum, go ahead and have your buy signals illuminated. And when you get those signals illuminated, just make sure all your metrics are in combination down here. And what's good is you're actually not going to have a buy signal fired off at all unless all these metrics are in combination. Money has to be flowing into the market. You have to have these solid green dots. See these bigger dots and little dots? These are going to be key EMA crossovers either to the upside green or downside red. And then this middle band is going to show you overall within this market segment, just in this shorter time period, if you should still be staying within that trade for more bullish or bearish activity in the market. So let's look at this, for example, this entry right here. Everything was in combination to the upside, got a nice buy signal. This is where you could have entered in on that trade. Now, you could also look at getting out of this trade when two things happen. Either just wait till this gets into this top red section. This is telling you selling pressure in the market. This is when price can typically decrease. You can also tell we're in this top red deviation here. That's also saying selling pressure overall with this linear regression. This middle band is going to tell you a lot of traders struggle with, and I'll be honest right here on YouTube with you guys, I'm still trying to learn, even though I've been doing this for about 10 years, to stay within trades longer. A lot of traders want to go in and go for their take profit right away, which is what I like to teach on the futures. If you guys are following me here, 2 ticks on the 1 minute, 4 ticks or 1 point on the 2-minute, trading the E-mini futures. But on something like this, it's a Forex pair. If you're looking for pips in the market, Forex actually goes by pips instead of ticks in the market. You can just look at this dashboard down here, and the first point that this ends up switching back over to red, that can be the spot in the market to either looking to get out of a trade. But you can stay in longer when these middle bands here are consistently green and overall the money's still flowing back into the market. So I want to get on here real quick this morning, show you guys a different pair that isn't futures. Again, majority of all of this that I do here on YouTube is going to be trading the futures market. So everyone who's trading with these metrics, following my videos throughout the entire week, I'm going to mainly be doing that. But I like to address some other questions that people have on days like today, where it's very, very low activity in the market. It is Memorial Day. I hope you guys are having an amazing Memorial Day weekend. By the way, if no one has joined us yet, or if you guys want to join, just go over to My Future Succuss or click the link in the description. You're going to be able to join some amazing people that have actually already started using these metrics just in the past couple weeks. Just go over here and click I want this. This literally takes you less than 5 minutes to load every metric that I have on this screen onto your chart, and you can start using these. Take a look at our 5-star ratings over here from live customers who've actually used this themselves just in the past 11 days. Very recent 5-star ratings of having a lot of success. But to go back here for a second, I just want to show you guys something live here on the Forex side of things. That's a little bit different than obviously the futures market that I like to trade, but my primary thing on here on YouTube is to show you guys live real-time examples entering, exiting out of the market on futures market. And also I do have one-on-one trainings. I actually go in for eye surgery, if you guys are following me here, this Thursday this week, and I'm going to be out for about a week or so. I'm going to get back to emails as fast as I can. I know we're going to have a lot of people end up joining with these metrics. In the meantime, please just be patient with me. I will get back as soon as possible. I'll have my wife actually help me out a lot, answering emails, and I'll be doing it with like one eye closed, I guess. But any one-on-one trainings, I do have some time still available this week, but Thursday I go in for surgery and I'll be out for about a week or so. So if you don't see me here on YouTube, that is the only reason being. But as soon as I can see again, even if it's earlier than that week, I'm getting back on here to show you guys exactly live real-time examples of trying to trade the E-mini futures and to give you guys as much education as possible. Please do leave any comments below of anything that you want me to answer that you guys need to have either more clarification on, or just like, Justin, what about this? What about that in the market? I'm struggling with this. I would like to know more about that. Let's answer them live here on YouTube. Let's get those answers answered for you. And I want to be here to show you guys that transparency. I want to be able to teach, educate as many people as possible. I've met some amazing people on my one-on-one trainings that I think are going to do absolutely incredible in the market. So if you're one of those people who want to have that private session, just send me an email. That's also in the description below as well. But I hope you guys just have an amazing Memorial Day weekend. Love all you guys. I want to treat you like family. There's no such thing as a dumb question at all. I just want to be here to encourage you the entire way. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.